Good morning, tube. Today is Tuesday, March 11th, April 11th. Sorry about that. Today is my day off. I didn't know if I was on a vlog today, but I guess I'm going to. I already had my 3-mile walk this morning with my lady. Same walk we did yesterday. Same walk we do every morning, or when we try to go. But right now I'm headed to the shop. Gonna get a haircut with my daughter. So I'm gonna try to post that up right now. I'm gonna go over there, and then after that, I'm gonna head out to downtown LA to go buy some. Take my mom to go get some merchandise for swap meet, and for me, I'm gonna go pick up a couple things that I need for the shop also. So I'll take you guys along with me on that one too. So stay in contact, stay up, get to work, start grinding. Ain't gonna make no money if you're at home sleep right now. Get your ass up and get to work. I'll see you guys in a bit. Finally getting the haircut I needed. I've got a haircut in over a month. How's J-Lo?
J-Lo's back.
My barber's been slacking.
Lauren's fault.
Lauren's fault? Alright, you have an excuse.
You're gonna come back?
Yeah, changing it up today, getting a taper. There it comes out. Alright guys, I'm about to head out downtown right now with my mom. We're gonna go do some shopping down there to buy some stuff for the swap meet and stuff. And take you with me, see what's up over there, alright? Okay guys, I'm up on the top of some rooftop downtown LA, and I'm about to throw my drone up in the air. I checked my flight thing. It's easy. It says when I go to fly here, it's legal. So I'm gonna take my bird up. Barber drone 3. Here it goes, guys. It's only gonna be I'm only gonna run it up for like 3 minutes, so check out the video. Got done flying the drone up on top of some parking structure. I bailed out of there just in case. I don't know, something weird about doing that. I don't know if it's, I know it's, I look at my map and it says it's legal, but still, just being on a parking structure, But I got some sick footage. I'll post it up. Hey, for you guys that watch this stuff, and you know, I know it's all barber related. I know this doesn't really have nothing to do with barbering, so check it out. Cut hair good today. That's your tip for today, guys. Cut hair good. All right, I'll get back with you guys. Rolling through the little alleys of DT right here. Here's the kind of stuff you find here, guys. I'm looking for the lady that sells the raspados. The reason why is because my mom saves guayabas for the lady. So I got 2 bags for her for trade of 2 raspados. Pretty sick deal, huh? She makes money and we get a free raspado. Beautiful. The American way of life. Look at this. Hardworking people. They're not begging. They're out here working. Oh, that's a sick shirt right there. I might have to buy that for myself. ¿A cuánto las camisas? ¿Ah? ¿7? ¿Tienen grandes? ¿3X? ¿Sí? Ahorita regreso. Come back and get them right now. $7, can't beat that. Take you guys right here with a raspado lady. This is what it is to be self-employed, people. My mom's self-employed. So she comes here, buys things on wholesale and sells them retail. Here comes our raspada lady right here. They got corn right there. There's the lady right here. What I did is dropped off the product. 2 bags, about 20 pounds of guayabas. We have a guayaba tree, so my mom picks them, cleans them, and freezes them. And that lady makes the syrup for the raspados from that. So my mom just does it because she's a nice lady. The lady kicks us down with 2 raspados, which is nice. I'll show you when we go back and get them right now. Right now I'm heading over to go meet up with my mom's. Definitely had to come back and get those. Two shirts for $14. Can't beat that. It's a secret spot over here. Yeah. Yeah. What are the other? They're different, right? Okay, yeah. This is where my mom buys her stuff out over here. Show you guys right now. ¿Ya se fue mi mamá?
Fue que le dijera que fue con la chino de los pañuelos.
¿Los pañuelos? Ok, voy para allá, voy. Gracias. ¿Sí? ¿Cuántas tiene?
Como 3.
¿3? Entonces ahorita, mejor para ahorita paso con el carro. Así no tengo que cargar. Gracias. Mom's already left the spot. We're gone for a little while since I was flying the drone. But she went to the other spot over here. Get all your Disney stuff right here, guys. Bows. More bows. Bows everywhere. This place is right next door to Skid Row. As you guys saw the video when we were driving in, but it's pretty bad. The epidemic of being homeless. I mean being lazy. I mean being homeless. It's bad right now. So There's a lot of them out here. Everywhere you look. And the crazy thing is that you jump on the train and they go over to where we live at. Stage post up over there, you know. But it's all good. I mean, to each his own, I guess. You don't want to work. And I'm not saying everybody, you know. Some people, it's just bad. We need to work. Get a job, and you have somewhere to live. That's how I look at it. Check it out. Collecting. You guys never had a raspado like that? My beautiful mother. She's shy. ¿Qué galaxia es el tuyo, mamá?
Yo de tamarindo.
¿El tamarindo? Can't even explain tamarindo to you. Chile. Chamoy. ¿A ti te gusta el chamoy, verdad, no?
A mí sí. Gracias.
Okay, gracias, señora. Okay.
¿Por dónde? Por aquí.
Vale, ama. Tú te quedas ahí con las bolsas y yo voy por el carro.
Oh, me quedo ahí con la...
Yeah. So it's day off still, so no Barber things to report, but we are going to Chili's, and when we're done with Chili's, we're gonna go watch the movies. What are we watching, baby?
I can only imagine.
I can only imagine what this movie's about. Huh, baby? I'm down. I'm down for whatever. We just got here to the movie theater. Me and my queen and our popcorn. We're watching movies. This is a movie I can only imagine what it's about, but I don't know what it's about. But I can only imagine.
So you'll check in after it's done.
I'll let you guys know what it's about. That's the movie theater. Check it out. I want you guys to check this out. Look at this movie theater. Wow, look at this. This is how you watch a movie.